Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get plain text email from an HTML email template in Mailchimp. This is particularly useful when you want to create a simpler, more accessible email version that loads faster and works better across different email clients. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to access your account. If you're new to Mailchimp, click on Sign Up Free to create an account. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. This will take you to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the left navigation panel and click on Create. This is your starting point for any new campaign or content in Mailchimp. From the creation menu that appears, click on Email. You'll see a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Plain Text. This is the key step that switches you from an HTML-based email to a plain text format, which is what we're aiming for today. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your plain text email. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify this campaign later. Once you've entered the name, click Begin to move forward with the setup. You'll now land on the email settings page. Here, you need to select the audience you wish to send this plain text email to. Mailchimp gives you flexibility here. You can choose to send to your entire audience, a specific segment, a tag, or even a group. Take a moment to decide which audience suits your campaign best. Once you've made your selection, click Next on the bottom right part of your screen to proceed. On the campaign info page, you'll need to fill in some essential details. Enter your campaign name, which is for internal tracking purposes. Then add your email subject. This is what your recipients will see in their inbox, so make it clear and engaging. In the From Name field, enter the name you want to appear as the sender. If you want to manage replies directly from Mailchimp or use personalization tags, click the checkbox next to Inbox Preferences. Scroll down to explore any additional options that might be relevant to your campaign. Once you've configured everything, click Next again on the bottom right corner. You'll now be on the email composition page, which is where the magic happens. You'll see a section labeled Enter Your Content here. This is where you'll type or paste the message you wish to deliver to your audience. Plain text emails are straightforward, so focus on clear, concise messaging without worrying about design elements. Once you've added your content, click Next to move to the final stage. Finally, you'll arrive at the review page. This is your last chance to double-check all the settings and make any necessary adjustments before your email goes out. Review your audience selection, campaign info, and the content you've written. Make sure everything looks correct and aligns with your goals. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Send on the bottom right corner of your screen to launch your plain text email campaign. And there you have it. You've successfully created and sent a plain text email in Mailchimp, offering your audience a clean, accessible alternative to HTML emails. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.